Welcome to another episode of Adventofcode with Neidi. Welcome back. Today I will solve the second puzzle of Adventofcode. I also have to announce that I created a GitHub repo. You will find all of my code there and also instructions on how to run it. And today we will focus more on the actual algorithm than on the stuff around. Let's go. In the puzzle we have a range of given IDs. And in their story, a young elf was playing around with the gift shop computer and inserted a bunch of invalid IDs. And our task is to find out which of them are invalid. This could be our ID range from 10 to 20, 1000 to 2000. And invalid IDs are what they call silly IDs. It's when the same pattern is repeated twice. So for our algorithm, we check if the first part of the ID matches the second part. So if the ID is odd, we don't even have to check because these IDs can't be silly. First we transform the string of the ID ranges into an array containing each of the IDs. We check if it's silly. It's also not too complicated. First we check if it's odd. If it's odd, it can't be silly. Then we cut the ID in half and check if both sides are equal, and if so, the ID is silly, and if not, then not. And here is everything chained together. The only thing left to mention is that the answer requires all of these invalid IDs added together. Now for the second part it gets slightly more complicated because now there not only can be two repeating parts but any number of repeating parts. So we create a loop, and instead checking if it's even or odd, we check if it's divisible by the number of parts. Now I extracted the part we want to check if it's repeating again, and instead of checking if both sides are equal, I chose a different method. I took the ID and then I deleted each time the sequence occurred, and if the string was made only out of this repeating sequence, there should be nothing left and the ID should be silly. Do you have a better solution? Let me know in the comments, and if you want to see more of me explaining programming things, follow me and see you next time.